Welcome to Kofi Marak TV. This is episode 2 of Exams Dataset Analysis and Report Fill Tools. Yes, I have two workbooks. One is designed together, everything is here from about or the home page where you see my details, and then KG1, KG2 up to what basic 9, that is JHS 3. Everything is on the tab. You can click everything here and it will work for you. But I also have another design with buttons. Okay, yes, shout outs to my good friend who is also an SL developer, Edwards. Okay, so here you have buttons. You can go to next and it will take you to what KG1 and KG2, or you can come back here at home page and you can click on what KG, and you'll be working on only KG1 and 2 documents. So when you move to next, you go to lower primary, that's basic 1, basic 2, basic 3, and then when you go to next, you go to basic 4, basic 5, basic 6, and then next again will take you to JHS1, that's basic 7, basic 8, and basic 9. So this is another interface, another graphical user interface of the exams data set analysis and report fill tools. So when you are at the home tool, you can just skip to JHS and you come to basic 7, 8, and 9. So these are the various designs I've made for the worksheet, but I would prefer novice to SL to use what the worksheet, which is together. Everything is what available here. So you simply click on whichever tab you want to work on. So this is for basic 6, basic 2, they are like that. So let's work with this workbook. Okay, very good. So now you would be required to what type your names here. I have designed up to 100 rows. Okay, you see the last colored row here is 101, but you know there's the header row which is row 1, so we have 100 rows for you to work on, and I don't believe there are classes where you find more than 100 students. So let's move straight to business. Now you enter your names here. You can enter like Kofi Ajimai, that's my name. Okay, and then you enter the names of your students. So here there are drop down lists. So the class, let's assume we are working on basic 7. Okay, so basic 7, let's assume we are working on their uh, worksheet. So the name, let me type it here again. The name will be what? Kofi Ajimai. Yes, so the class, you wouldn't worry yourself typing anything. There's a drop down list, so you come here and you choose basic 7. Okay, number on row from 1 to 100, you choose how many students do you have. Let's say 50 students, so you choose it here, 50 students. Promoted to, if it is a promotional term, then you select the term and the class they have been promoted to. If it is basic 7, then it means they will be promoted to basic 8. If it is not a promotional term, you leave it. Then you come to what term, then you select you have selected promotional this thing, the class they will be promoted to, so definitely that will be term 3. And then next term resume. I should have made a date picker, but I realized working with the 32-bit and the 64-bit, there are challenges. I think the 64-bit doesn't support the date picker and you need an add-on, so I decided to leave it blank. So you just type the date, maybe let me see, 12 May 2023. Yeah, so you type the date here and then you come to the entry of class and exam score. So that one you will need your first thing you will need to start with the data collection is your what? Is your record sheet. And this is how it looks like. You write the name of the school, the class, the date, the class teacher's name, and you start with the names of the students, their class score, and their exam score. Yeah. So their class score is there, their exam score is there. So you what? You enter all of them. Yes. After that, then you come to your what? Your worksheet. Everything which has been organized there, everything you have organized here on the record sheet, you transfer them as they are. The names, the order as they appear, the class score, the exam score as they appear, you what? You transfer them here to the record sheet. So this one I've intentionally replicated my name, and I'm working on basic 7. So every student is in basic 7, their number on row 50. Promoted to should be basic 8 because they are in basic 7. Or I can decide to delete everything. Okay, let me wait here. Promoted to basic 8. Yes, let's assume it is a promotional term. Okay, so over here too, you can simply copy. Okay, you can select all of them using the drop down list, but you can also copy and then what? Highlight the number of area you want to what? You want to duplicate. Oh no. Yes, so I can duplicate all of these areas and then paste the basic 8 there. Yes, it is up to this area. So I will just press Ctrl V, and then all of them are going to have the basic 8. Only this one is having basic 9, so I can also change that one to basic 8. Yes, so that is how we go about it. It's either you select them one after the other or you copy and paste. So now it has left with the collection of data. So let me use a very simple formula to randomly generate numbers. It's called the rand between formula. So rand, you see that it has already shown up, so I'll select it. Rand between, this is class score, so let me say 10, 30. So random numbers from 10 to 30 will be generated for me. Yeah, so that I'll use it for my analysis. Very good. So 18, 20, and the rest. And then here is exam score, and then the exam score is 70. So I'll try and give random numbers, like the lowest grade should be what? Let me say 20. So rand between, you are not going to use this. You have your class score on the record sheet, so you use that one. But this one, I want to hurriedly generate some numbers. That's why I'm using this formula. So run between, let me say 20, and I don't want any student to score 70 because it is exams. So let me say between 65. Yeah, 20 and 65. I need random numbers like that, and then the system will generate another random number for me. And then once I have two numbers here, you see the total is here, the grade and the remarks, like I did on the previous workbook. Yes, this one too, the total is 70B. Very good. Yeah, so I'm going to use that to fill all the areas, and after that all I need to do is to open my report sheet, and everything I have entered here will be available there. The insert merge fields has been already built into the system, so you don't need to merge any fields. It's very simple. So let me continue on to give the random numbers. All right. Yes, so over here at the conduct 2, you can select from drop down list. We have satisfactory. Maybe this student his conduct is unsatisfactory. You can select this one. His conduct is, let me say, calm. You can select. So there's another drop down list here. Yes, so now everything has been organized here for analysis. So now this is what you do after you have organize all your data here. Everything has been entered. Your names, your bio data, class and exam score, billings, the conduct. So after you have typed everything, okay, what you have to do now is to go to your report sheets. This is basic 7. We were working on the basic 7 worksheet. So you come to the report sheets. When I give you, you have some few of them on the Google Drive, but these are the built-in report sheets. So you just double click to open, and you will see that everything you have entered on the Excel um, worksheet will be transferred automatically here. So you'll be asked, opening this document will run the following SQL command. Select from table BS7 $, okay? Data from your database will be replaced in the document. Do you want to continue? Just press yes, but make sure first the worksheet is open. Other than that, it will give you problem. So once the worksheet is open and then you double click on the report sheet, you click what? Yes, to run the SQL command for you. And everything you have typed on the report sheet will be transferred automatically. Everything you have typed on the worksheet will be transferred automatically to the report sheet for you. So you will have all your records available on the report sheets. All those things you typed on the Excel sheet will now be available in the what? Microsoft Word template. That is the what? The report sheet. Everything will be. Yes, so you have it. All the things I typed, okay? This student got the 87. I use the same name, so if I come to mailings and I I press the next, you see that another student will come. Okay, this is the first student. He took the 87. So let's go here and check the position. The one who took the first position. Let's check from here. Okay, the position is it's at the first page here. So let's see who took this person. The 30th row took the second position. So let's go to the report sheet and type in, that will be 29, and we will see that he got the second position. So over here we can type or 29, and we'll see that that person got the second position. Yes, he got the second position. So on your report sheet. So this was what I was saying on the WhatsApp group. You come here and you press what? Edit, uh, finish and merge. Okay, finish and merge. You click it and you come to we edited or we use the generate random numbers from first row to what? To the 100th row. So we want the system to generate. So if you have about 100 students in your class, the report will be done. All you have to do is to enter the data. After that, open the report sheet and everything is there. So let's see. The system will create the 100 report sheets for us. You don't need to insert any merge fields. It's very simple. I've made it so simple for you. Easy access. So that is how the system works. Thank you very much. So yes, now we have all the 100 students report sheets readily available. Okay, all of them are here. Yes, they are all here. Yes, you can see them, they are all here. So that is all about the new interface, the one with the buttons, which is for veteran SL users, and then the one with the classes all